you want me to do?
Well, just tell me about the shotgun.
Oh, okay. This is a 12 gauge shotgun. Holds 15 rounds. It has two magazine tubes right here. Each tube will hold 7 rounds, plus one in the chamber for a total of 15. It will extract out the bottom straight down, so it makes it ambidextrous, truly ambidextrous shotgun. And it also loads in this port too. This is your loading lever, so you can switch between magazines. You can load slug rounds in this magazine. You can load double lock buck in this one. If you fire a slug round, you get tired of that, you can switch them over and shoot double lock buck. Empty like this, it weighs 7 pounds. Full up, it weighs about 8 pounds. 18.5 inch barrel. That's pretty much it.
All right, thank you.
Are these available from RSR now? Are these available from RSR now, or let me get you?
We're not in production yet. Production's not going to start till 3rd or 4th quarter.
Oh, okay, so a little bit later.
Yeah, so save your pennies. About $880.
So, suggested retail almost $900. Production won't start till 3rd or 4th quarter of 2011.